Why Automated Project Office? The first reason for APO is to improve effectiveness. Mature project management offices meet expectations better. As you can see from this data, PMOs are 28% better with on-time project delivery, 24% better on meeting the budget, and 20% better at meeting original project goals and the business intent of those projects. That's competitive advantage. Another area of competitive advantage is APO provides more efficiency, particularly in a mature organization. Data from McKinsey shows us that mature organizations are 2 to 3 times more productive than average organizations. Why? Because mature organizations measure what matters, and they understand they need to manage the conditions that drive results. What are those measures? The first set of measures are the lagging indicators, the results, the budget, the schedule, and the quality of what happened. But the important measures are the leading indicators, the predictors of future results. Extensive research has been done to identify what the top 12 or dominant dozen leading indicators are that must be monitored and managed. Computer8 has developed APO to pull this information together for you. The data comes from hard data systems that bring the information either automatically or manually into APO, but also from human feedback, from automated assessment surveys sent out weekly to project teams. This information is assembled and analyzed, as you can see here. Human feedback is analyzed by assessment, role, respondent, and project. The manager can see what type of answers are being provided to what types of questions, and by the role those people have within your projects, to give you a real handle on what's going on. This information is provided on a dashboard of key performance indicators. These KPIs can be evaluated over time to identify trends. Managers can drill down into those results by individual project, team member role, question, and response of each individual. The bottom line with APO is it provides a comprehensive hard data and human feedback system, monitoring the future performance indicators to see the change over time of predictor data. It allows the drilling down into the source data, revealing the most meaningful details with actual individuals and system set. This is done for multiple projects and individual projects. And managers can access this data from wherever and whenever they need to because it is available on mobile platforms. Now, I would like to show you APO in action. Welcome to this video on using the Automated Project Office APO solution. Utilizing human feedback assessment responses and operational hard data, APO provides you answers to your most common executive-level project management questions. When you open the APO dashboard, it defaults to the My Projects Home tab, displaying cumulative data for all projects available to you with your permission level for the previous 2 calendar week period, Sunday to Saturday. The tiles represent summary information found in more detail by opening the tabs across the top and defining the filters to the left. For your convenience, any filter settings you change will persist to your next login. Date range always defaults to the previous 2 calendar week period, but can be changed for your current session. First question: what is the overall health of your project portfolio? The overall health pie chart displays a count of key performance indicators, KPIs, for your projects by score. KPIs are either from human feedback or operational data. APO tracks the key performance indicators and critical issues for projects and business operations. This chart shows the health of your projects by indicating how many key performance indicators are good, not so good, bad, and unknown. In this example, 8 KPIs are good, 3 are warning, and 2 are bad. You can click on the KPI tiles to drill down into the detailed data that determine the color of the tile. Clicking on the Unresolved Risks tile provides a pop-up listing the projects containing the risks. Clicking the project name opens that project in a new window, allowing for further investigation. Second question: what should I focus my attention on today? Managing early warning signs drives project results. APO captures the critical data for project management, perhaps none more important than the early warning signs data. We can already see the two red KPIs correspond to the two operational data tiles on our home page, and one of the yellow. That leaves two KPI warnings that must be under Human Feedback. Click the Human Feedback tab found in the top menu. Here they are. Based on extensive research, the early warning signs KPIs tell us where our issues will be if we don't act. By clicking the tile, you are taken down the page to the corresponding KPI dial, spark line, and trend indicator. In this example, the KPI trend is showing a decline. Click See Related Questions to view the KPI scored questions and answers. Click the individual question to see details. Looking closer at the score distribution, it appears there is not agreement by all respondents in answering this particular question. This may be an area of risk that should be further explored. Third question. Are issues and poor KPI levels being addressed in a timely manner? Are you seeing results? Because it's not just about detecting issues, it's about making sure that they are resolved. In this example, we can easily see which way key performance indicators are trending, even when still within green scoring. Finally, the significance of the participation rate. APO information is only as good as the raw data that is in it. Since human feedback is such an important part of APO, you can check to see what % of the people provided feedback. An appropriate response rate goal is between 70 and 80% for any desired period. Clicking the tile helps you to evaluate participation levels by assessment, individual role, by person, and by project. Once you have determined which projects need further investigation, you can contact the appropriate project manager and team. As risks are addressed and reduced, APO allows you to optimize or fine-tune project KPIs. For example, if red and yellow scores are eliminated through continued improvement, you can either start raising the bar for the KPI thresholds or focus on raising green scores. Automated Project Office. What you need to know at a glance, and what you need to know to do something about it, just a few keystrokes away. This concludes this video on using the Automated Project Office APO solution.